We asked the care experienced young people that we work with what the benefits are and why they enjoy being involved with us. Here's what they had to say.
I enjoy going to the CC groups and joining in with the different activities. It's good fun and good social skills as there's a variety of different people.
I was involved in a stand-up speak-up day, which involved me talking about a hot topic, in which I picked bullying, and I spoke to professionals in a big hall.
All of the activities and meeting other children in care.
Coming and meeting the new kids and finding out their experiences in life and what they could get done better to help them.
I enjoy being involved with you guys because I get out and about more than I would if I wasn't involved with you guys, and I do enjoy the interviews because it gives me an insight to interviews ready for when I become a fully qualified social worker.
The event is set up by the participation team at the Youth Parliament in Devon. Celebrated young people who have contributed to Youth Voice over the last 18 months. It was amazing.
All of it.
This last quote comes from a care experienced young person who we have worked with for a little over a year, and we feel, along with the quotes you've already heard, it perfectly sums up the benefits and positive experiences that can be achieved through participation.
Stand Up Speak Up has brought a lot into my life. It has helped me gain independence in a place where I feel safe to be without my foster family. This has helped me in other aspects of my life too, and has helped me feel like I can be independent on my own, and I feel this is down to my first positive experience with the workers at Stand Up Speak Up, making me feel so safe and included. Stand Up Speak Up has also increased me being able to have many different experiences, including public speaking, fun outdoor activities and much more. The workers are super supportive and always have your best interests at heart. I like the way it works. It is in more of a friendly and fun environment, not at all clinical, which a lot of things feel like when you're a child in care. I like the groups as you are surrounded by other care experienced young people that understand what you are going through, and also having a lot of fun talking about important subjects to make change around. All the workers are dedicated and understand why such important issues we may bring up and why they are so important to us, and try their absolute hardest to take upon what we have said, while also not limiting any opportunities because of any complex issue the young person may bring, and also find a way to support the young person in a way that suits them while still getting their voice heard.
Thank you for watching.